But what an absolutely magnificent place Da Nang is. This is really great here. The vibe is just so different. It's really is spectacular. You pull on that. Big slices of ham as well. A bit droopy again. Okay, so I'm back at one of my favourite places to eat here in Da Nang, Herbal Pizza. Pizza is seating as well for the restaurant. You can see that's full. They make the food starting to fill up a little bit now. Let's show you the menu. Banana boat, very nice. You see all of them taken there. So we have some inflatable rings or something for rent here. Just look at the crowds in the ocean there. Good afternoon from Da Nang here in Vietnam. So it's around about 4:30 p.m. I'm here at the Mai An beach location here in Da Nang, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is dinner at a place called Herbal Pizza. So Herbal Pizza I've already featured in a video. I had a steak dinner here last time. I was a little bit later in an evening when I recorded the video with the steak dinner. That was an absolutely fabulous food, which has forced me to come back here today. In today's video, I'm going to be having China pizza here as well, because that's one of the specialties here. It is a steakhouse. I've tried the steak, that was wonderful. Tried the pizza as well when I was here before. In today's video, I'm going to come back and try a full big Hawaiian pizza. So I'm going to give you a food review on the Hawaiian pizza, and then after I finish with the pizza, I'm going to take you out onto the Mai An beach location, give you a tour around. It's very busy here at the moment. Lots of people on the beach playing volleyball, lots of people in the ocean, sitting, relaxing, eating, drinking, you name it. It's just about all going on the Mai An beach here in Da Nang. Without any further ado, let's go and have dinner at Herbal Pizza, and then we'll go and take you for a stroll on the beach here at Mai An. Okay, so I'm back at one of my favourite places to eat here in Da Nang, Herbal Pizza. Pizza and burgers, your satisfaction drives us forward. Here's a little cart. I've already had a steak dinner here. Today I'm back. Just want to show you the beach. I'm going to have food today first, and then I'm going to have a beach tour. It's so busy on the beach. Show you lots of people in the distance there. Volleyball here. Volleyball here. And just back at the restaurant now. We'll take you and show you the seating area. Lots of people coming along as well. So here's the seating area. Good sized seating area. Not too busy at the moment, but this is why I've come at this time today. And then today I've got a prime seating location right here on the front, so I can watch the volleyball there. Okay, so here at Herbal Pizza, like I say, I have featured it before with the steak. Today I'm having the pizza. You do have to pay for your food before, so I've already paid for my food. There's my bill. So I've had one Hawaiian pizza large, 209,000 Vietnam dong. One margarita pizza large, that's 179,000. Two coconuts, they're 50,000 a piece, and the total bill is 488,000. Normally you get the bill at the end. Here you have to pay for your food prior to eating. Okay, so here's the coconut. 50,000 is actually relatively cheap for the beachfront. It's a little bit warm today. Last time it was cold, a little bit warm today, but it tastes nice. Okay, so there's what the Hawaiian pizza looks like. Big chunks of pineapple on there. That's what the margarita pizza looks like. Wow. Okay, sorry if the light's not quite right on the camera. The sun's sort of cutting across me. It's very difficult to do there. So here's my pizza with a little to get the slices out. I like the big chunks of pineapple on that. Big slices of ham as well. A bit droopy again. All pizzas here for some reason are droopy. Oh wow, that's nice. Yeah, so you can taste everything. You can taste the cheese on that. You can taste the pineapple when you're biting that. You've got taste from the ham. Yeah, lots of flavour going on in there. So I've actually just noticed that this seating down here, watching the volleyball, is seating as well for the restaurant. You can see that's full there. They've only got drinks, these people here, it appears. Okay, so I've just finished my food here at Herbal Pizza here at the Mayan Beach location here in Da Nang. So I think I forgot to say on the introduction, there is two sizes of pizzas, a medium and large. They were large pizzas in today's video. The medium pizza is only slightly cheaper than the large, hence the reason why I just purchased the large pizza. But great tasting pizza, all the ingredients on the pizza you can taste, the base, the tomato puree, the cheese, the pineapple, the ham. Plenty of flavour going on in the pizza. Looks a little bit droopy when you pick it up, but so do the majority of the pizzas that I've had here in Da Nang. But some are better tasting than others, and this is one of the better tasting ones of the lot. So this seating area, what I've featured in today's video, if you go back and have a look at the video where I had the steak, that was later in the evening. Good luck getting a seat later in the evening. Absolutely packed and loaded with customers during the evening time. Sort of like around about that 6:30, 7 o'clock time as the sun starts to set and we start coming into darkness. This place really rocks, and it's very busy. So you've just got seating along the side, a little bit of seating there on the beach. Like I say, of an evening time, this will be very busy and every seat will be taken. So the food, exceptionally good here for me, good value for money. You're on a beachfront location. Only a small menu here. I've had the steak, I've had the pizza now. We sell a few other things, some appetizers also available, some juice drinks. I've had the passion fruit last time, I've had the coconut today, both very good drinks also as well. So I highly recommend paying Herbal Pizza a visit if you're staying here in Da Nang, or particularly in the Mayan Beach location area. And now we're going to go and take a stroll along the beach and just see all the activity. What's going on the beach. Normally I have taken a stroll. It has been sort of like on the verge of sunset and coming into night. Today I'm a little bit earlier, so we'll go and see how the beach looks today. Okay, so here we go. So there's the where they make the food. Starting to fill up a little bit now. This will be very busy of an evening time. We're going to drop down onto the beach now. Quite a few people already eating and drinking here. I'll just show you this place before we drop down onto the beach. Have another one here. I have actually eaten at all of the places on the beach here now. This one's a specialty for the banh mi sandwich type things. It's just in there. Show you the menu. The banh mi. Sausage also, some other things. Some other drinks and things available. Sausage. We'll go and drop down and have a wander on the beach. So very busy there as well. Yeah, full with customers there. All of them very busy. The restaurants here in Da Nang. So there's a look back at where I've been sitting. It's the volleyball. There's another volleyball court next door as well here. It's very busy in all directions here on the beach. I'm going to take you down for a walk to the ocean first of all. It's very busy there also. Some water sports activities and things as well. Just take you and show you them. There's a guy just coming in on the jet ski there now. There's all the different water sports available. Paragliding, banana boat, jet ski, 700 for 15 minutes. Just look how busy the beach is. It's insanity. So busy. It's one of the jet skis. I just want to take you down to the ocean and have a look at this. Look how many people are in the ocean. I have lifeguards here as well, so if you get into any trouble, there's lifeguards, 2 lifeguards. Just look how many people are out there. There's something written on the sand here. Not sure what that says. That's busy. That's busy. You're just walking back, you've just got people relaxing, doing things on the beach as well. Just at the back of the beach here we have the sun lounges. These are also busy as well, the sun lounges. Very nice sun lounges. Very, very nice. You see all of them taken there. All the way along the back of the beach there. Just look how busy this beach is. This is the majority tourists, what I see. I think it's the Vietnamese in the ocean. Oh, nice seating areas there. Nice. You have. Sure what this is. Is this massage? Yeah, massage on the beach. I'll show you the prices while we're here. 400 for 60 minutes. That is a little bit high, but it is on the beach, I guess. This is busy. There are all these YouTubers going around saying busy, and you see 10 people. This is busy. There you go. The camera don't lie. This is busy. So we have some inflatable rings or something for rent here. Just look at the crowds in the ocean there. Lots of people on the beach all the way along. Sitting at the back here as well. Wow. That is insane. This is where all the tourists are coming now, I think. Vietnam. Some of the places seem to be suffering with tourism at the moment. Lots of negativity, social media people destroying the places. Just look at this. So busy. Just sat chilling, relaxing. To look at the city area as well. Lots of restaurants, lots of hotels, lots going on here. And I think we'll just end today's video here. Natural flavours. Nice looking restaurant. There's seating upstairs there as well. This is more just a drinks place. Look at the people on the paths as well. Nice big paths here. Super wide big paths. Really, really just so magnificent. I think maybe I'm going to move here. I like it. Wow. Okay, I've just finished my walk now on the beach. Just want to bring you back to where I started. So here's where I had my food. People queuing now to order food. And look now, in just 30 minutes, what a difference it makes. Now very, very busy here. Every table and chair taken now. Now it's a full restaurant. full down below as well. Still playing the volleyball. Wow. Okay, so that concludes today's video. My dinner, my early dinner at Herbal Pizza. I went there early because last time I was waiting for a table, waiting quite long for my food. 30 minutes, I think, last time I come here, had to wait for my steak. It was just getting busy as I was leaving to go, or should I say, as I come back from my beach walk. So I would advise, if you don't want to wait too long for your food, maybe best you come a little bit earlier, like I have in today's video. 4:30 I was there, sort of like 5, 6 and 7 p.m. gets very, very busy there. So as you saw, absolutely fabulous, exceptionally good food there. I've had the steak now, ribeye steak there. I've had the pizza. Both have been exceptionally good meals. Coconut was a little bit warm in today's video. However, it was okay. It was nice tasting coconut. I think last time I also had a passion fruit juice as well. But all very, very good. I can only compliment the chef on the food there. It is very, very good food. Just a simple menu, not an overly big, complicated menu. So that's why I believe the food's very good there. But what an absolutely magnificent place Da Nang is. This is really, really great here. The vibe is just so different. It's really is spectacular. You can see the amount of people on the beach. That's tourists as well. It's not just Vietnamese. There's lots of tourism here as well. Many social media people are saying that places have been affected by the war and people are not coming. I've been to 4 different places here in Vietnam. I haven't seen that in one of the locations whatsoever here in Vietnam. Everywhere I've been has been busy thus far. I'm heading off, actually. I'm leaving Vietnam tomorrow. I'm heading to Thailand for Songkran there. But this is absolutely out of this world. Really great vibes. Lots of people enjoying themselves on the beach. You have the volleyball, water sports activity, sitting, relaxing areas, all the restaurants are running along the back. Huge big pathways as well, not narrow like most places, just really big, nice pathways, big roads. Just really great vibes here in Da Nang. I highly recommend that anybody that's looking for a family or a great holiday, give Da Nang and give Vietnam a try.